You're restoring me piece by piece. I just miss her already so much. Good morning. Where are you going?
To kindergarten.
Today is, what is today? It's Wednesday, September 5th, 2018.
I thought it was 13.
2018. First day of kindergarten for somebody. What's your name?
Esther.
What do you have in there? These are her gym shoes.
The phrase.
Show us the other sneakers.
The golden.
Yeah, these are Adidas she got yesterday. Show us your school outfit. Come on. Right there in the middle. And just turn around, pose. Perfect. Turn around.
And baby Jack Jack is
Who
going
cares
to
about baby Jack Jack? He's going to school too? Alright, put him. He looks like he has a tail. Chew him, man. Get up, get up. Get up. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
And this is where they put the bellies.
I have a kindergartner. Why is nothing?
Oh yeah, because he's saved. He's saved.
Hey, how do you feel?
Shy.
Shy?
Shy.
Oh, shy. Oh, shy. She's nervous, I could tell. You got your lunch back there?
Yeah. The
Your
pack.
bag, huh?
Excited, huh, baby girl?
The snack is in the plastic bag. You don't eat that. I'll tell the teacher. You know, you eat that later. But the food that's in there, you eat that, whatever you want. I got you a sandwich flour, star one actually, and it has cookie butter inside, and the other ones have ham. You got ham, cheese, yogurt, apples, cucumbers.
I forgot the muffins.
Oh yes, you have muffins there, but that's for your snack. You have muffins and cupcake. What is it called?
Cupcake. Goldfish.
Goldfish, yes. So that's for your snack, okay? And your water is there. Okay? You gotta drink water and do not run too much in the class. Because you know you get tired, okay? Easy. No running. Listen to your teacher.
Listen to your teacher.
Hands to yourself.
Listen to yourself.
And don't be shy. Yay!
Stop.
What time?
I just dropped her off at her class, at her school. She started kindergarten today. I've never been separated for her more than 2 hours. And now she's gonna be in school for like 6 hours. I don't know. I think I was more nervous than her. We met her teacher, and she seemed, I can't imagine having half a day without her. I know they're supposed to grow up and go to school. I just don't know why they have to grow up so fast, you know? I feel so empty. I feel so empty, so lonely. I know she's gonna do well, make friends. She's a very happy kid. I can't imagine my life without her. I didn't know this whole school thing was gonna be so hard. I think harder on me than anything else. I'm so used to being with her 24/7 all the time. I mean, literally. She's like my tail. I hope she eats, you know, her breakfast at least. She might get too excited with all the kids, and she was nervous too, I could tell. She kept saying, I'm shy. But I know she meant she's nervous. She just didn't know how to say it. She's only 4. She's gonna be 5 in November. I know she'll do good. I know. I don't know, does anybody else call it this? My first kid. I got her lunch box ready this morning, trying to think of everything. You know, is she gonna have enough? Is she gonna eat this? I literally felt like a wreck, like a train wreck in the morning. I don't know if I don't know if I feel like this from fear of being alone without her, or no, knowing that now she's gonna make friends. I know she's not gonna forget about me, but you know, that's what kind of happens when they go to school and they make friends. My husband works all the time, so we barely ever see him. So I've been attached to her all the time, go everywhere together. And I know this, you know, it's gonna be good for me to work, get more things done, focus on this channel too more. Because that's how life is. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice for a lot of things that you want or that you have to. But somehow I feel like going back and taking her out of there. I don't know. I don't even know why I'm recording myself doing this madness. I have to go pick her up around 1:40. I have to make lunch for her, and then she'll take naps. Here, they don't have naps there. She's okay, she sleeps around 2 anyway here, every day. But she's probably gonna be really tired the first day. I just can't wait for her to come and tell me how it all went. And I'm sure that I'm not the only mom sniffing. Well, I mean, sniffles this morning. I just think 4-year-old is too early for school, you know? For them to be like all in one class for 6 hours, I think it's too much. You know, I wish they had more playtime, you know? 5-year-old, yeah, it's okay. Maybe my mentality is different. I let her play this summer. We did homeschool with her. So she's ready. I have no no academic worry for her. But this summer I did less learning and more as far as books. Well, we did a lot of reading, but I wanted her to just enjoy the summer and play. I believe kids should play more and should have more fun, and they can learn while play as well. I just miss her already so much. Probably when she sees this video, when she's older, she's gonna laugh at me. Oh God. One of the reasons that I haven't really uploaded on this channel is just getting ready for school, getting her stuff ready, her supplies, and just been nervous, really, like a nervous wreck. And I've been sick too. I have issues with my sinuses. As you can tell, my face is like swollen. I have to go to the doctor tomorrow, the allergist, all that stuff, all that jazz. So I haven't been filming, although I have materials ready. But now that she's in school, I'm gonna try and upload every single day. I'm not promising, but I'm gonna try, because I want my channel to grow, and I want to be consistent, you know. She left mommy today. She left her mommy for school, for her friends. I feel like the drop-off was so quick. It was a zoo over there. So many cars, so many parents. I'm pretty sure everybody's like going crazy, not just me. I wish a happy and successful year, first of all, to my baby girl, and then secondly, to all kindergartens and all students starting this year, and to all mothers, parents out there who are feeling the same way as I do, as I am right now. I wish you comfort and peace, understanding. I'm trying to have that now. And although I feel so nervous, I know in my heart that God is with her, and He's gonna protect her. And just, that's what you need to have in your head, and believe that God is with your kid, with your child. Bless them, pray for them when they leave, you know, when you drop them off, and hand them over, you know, as if you're handing them over into God's hand, because see, the world is mean and cruel, and I think that's why I've been more nervous hearing all this stuff about schools, and you know, plus she's my only child. But knowing that God is with her and with your child gives you a little bit of peace, you know, and it makes it a little bit easier, you know. So that's my wish to you guys. I'm sorry for this crying video, but I'm sure most mothers understand. Alright, I'm gonna have to cut it down, because people are looking at me like I'm some kind of crazy person. Alright guys, have a good day. Don't cry too much like me. Go get a glass of wine or something. No, just kidding.